CB commercials again. This time it's a Warhead. Lemon flavored.
Sit down. It's the form. Sit down.
Oh my gosh. Look, are you kidding me? Did you really give me that?
Is it not good? Eat it.
I hate you so much. That's what she's thinking.
Eat it.
She don't want it, you can tell.
Lou, eat it. No, eat it.
Well, the problem is she does want it, but she doesn't.
Just swallow it.
You don't have to eat it.
Go get it.
All right.
Yep, on that note.
CB commercials.
Yep.
All
Brings
right.
you sad dogs.
Even though the camera couldn't see the face I just made. Goodbye.